How to use the t-shirt size technique for estimating. The t-shirt sizes technique is a simple way to estimate the size or effort of user stories. Here's an example of how it works. You have a backlog of user stories, and you want to estimate their complexity using t-shirt sizes: small, medium, large, extra large. Small, these are user stories that are relatively straightforward, require minimal effort, and can be completed quickly. For instance, a user story like add a forgot password link to the login page might be considered small. Medium-sized user stories are a bit more complex but still manageable within a single sprint. An example could be implement user profile editing functionality. Large user stories are significantly more complex and might require multiple team members or several sprint cycles to complete. For instance, integrate third-party payment gateway could be considered large. Extra large, these are the most complex user stories that require a substantial amount of effort, resources, and time to complete. An example might be develop a mobile app version of the entire system. How to use the t-shirt sizes technique. 1. Gather your Scrum team for a sprint planning meeting. 2. Present one user story at a time from your backlog. 3. Ask team members to individually select the t-shirt size that they believe best represents the complexity or effort required for that user story. 4. Once everyone has made their selections, reveal and discuss the estimates. If there are significant differences in estimates, encourage team members to explain their reasoning and have a discussion to reach a consensus. 5. Record the agreed upon t-shirt size estimate for each user story. 6. Repeat this process for all the user stories you need to estimate. The t-shirt sizes technique is effective because it's easy to understand, promotes team collaboration and discussion, and provides a relative measure of complexity. It doesn't require precise numerical values, making it accessible for teams with varying levels of experience in Scrum. Over time, your team will become more accurate in their t-shirt size estimations as they gain a better understanding of the project's scope and complexity. Thanks for watching. www.theagilesoul.com